dance is called Dawn Angel Rock You. 32 count, 4 waltz. It's an improver line dance and there's no tag and no restart. In this dance, there is an introduction. Let me show you the introduction. Introduction starts with your right foot. Stomp right, stomp left, and a clap. Repeat, stomp right, stomp left with a clap. With a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. This step will be done in 3 groups. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3. And the 4th time, the 3 groups will do together the same steps. So now, let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, run, 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 low hitch on the left. Run, 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 hitch. And continue, run, 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 hitch on the right. Mambo forward with the right. Forward mambo. Make a step lock. Step back with the left. Step, lock, step. Section 1 with a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2. Step your right back. Recover on left. Make a half turn to your left. Step your left behind right. Behind, side, cross. And step your right to the right side, recover. In front, side, behind, quarter to the left, hitch with a snap. Section 2 with a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 3. Make a quarter turn to your left with your right. Stomp, stomp, clap. Make another quarter to your left with your right. Stomp, stomp, clap. Cross, right over left. Cross, side, behind, snap your fingers. Step left to the side. Cross, right over left. And step left to the side, step your fingers. Section 3 with a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Last section. Sailor, step with your right. Behind, side, side. Step your left, behind right. Step right to the side. Step your left forward. Step your right forward. Make a quarter turn to your left with your left heel. And another quarter turn to the left with the right heel. And a back coaster. Back together, forward. So last section with a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And you finish the dance here. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.